Real estate is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth through passive income, appreciation, and tax benefits. Unlike stocks, real estate allows you to leverage borrowed money to acquire high-value assets while generating monthly cash flow. If you're a beginner, here's how you can start your real estate journey. 1. Why real estate is a great investment. Real estate creates wealth in multiple ways. Rental income. Earn consistent monthly cash flow from tenants. Appreciation. Property values increase over time. Tax advantages. Deduct mortgage interest, depreciation, and expenses. Leverage. Buy properties using a mortgage, allowing you to control valuable assets with little upfront cash. Equity growth. As tenants pay rent, your mortgage balance decreases, increasing your ownership. This combination of income and asset growth makes real estate a powerful investment tool. 2. Choosing the right real estate strategy. Beginners should pick a strategy based on their budget and risk tolerance. Long-term rentals. Buy and rent out single-family or multi-family homes for steady income. Short-term rentals, Airbnb, rent properties at higher nightly rates. House hacking. Live in one unit of a multi-family home and rent out the others to cover your mortgage. Fix and flip. Buy, renovate, and sell properties for a profit. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, invest in real estate stocks for passive income without direct ownership. Each strategy offers different benefits, so choose one that fits your goals. 3. Finding a profitable property. A good investment starts with location. Look for 1. Growing job markets with strong employment. 2. High rental demand near universities and business hubs. 3. Low crime rates and good schools to attract quality tenants. 4. Upcoming developments that could increase property values. Use platforms like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com to research neighborhoods and property trends. 4. Financing your first property. You don't need to pay in full. Here are some financing options. 1. Conventional loans, require good credit and 20% down. 2. FHA loans, allow first-time buyers to invest with just 3.5% down. 3. VA loans, offer 0% down for military veterans. 4. Hard money loans, short-term financing for house flippers. 5. Real estate crowdfunding, platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow small investments. Using the right financing helps maximize returns while minimizing upfront costs. 5. Managing your investment to ensure long-term profitability. 1. Screen tenants carefully to reduce payment issues. 2. Maintain the property to prevent costly repairs. 3. Hire a property manager if you prefer hands-off investing. Good management leads to consistent cash flow and minimal vacancies. 6. Scaling your real estate portfolio. Once you acquire your first property, you can reinvest profits to grow your portfolio. Strategies include 1. Using rental income to buy additional properties. 2. Refinancing to pull equity for new investments. 3. 1031 exchange to defer capital gains taxes when upgrading properties. Over time, owning multiple rental properties can provide financial security and passive income. Real estate is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Whether you start with a single rental, house hacking, or REITs, the key is to take action and grow your portfolio over time. Are you ready to invest in real estate? Start researching and take your first step today.